Hi everyone, thank you so much for coming to my Patreon page. My name is Cheyney McKnight and I am a historical interpreter and living historian. I mainly study Africans in the Americas in the 18th, 19th, and 20th century, and I travel all over the country from north to south, east to west. And all over. If I can get a train, car, bus, boat, I will be there. Though you can find me at historic sites like this one in historic Richmond town, you can find me all over in classrooms, museums, historical sites all across America, and even in the Caribbean. But the main place you'll find me is in the library. I'm always researching. My main goal is to increase accurate representations of African Americans in historic sites and museums. Patreon is a monthly membership that has the potential to fund everything that I do. There are many different levels from $1 on up to $500. And at each level, as thank you for your patronage, I will be offering rewards. What do I plan on doing with your patronage? I want to go to historic sites and schools that cannot afford to pay for my fee or my travel. I need to maintain and replace my historical clothing. Remember, I'm in historical garb 3 to 5 times a week, and there's wear and tear. I go through socks like most people go through milk. I also would like to continue my education through conferences and workshops. And of course, I need overhead. That's very important so that I can continue doing what I'm doing. I hope to do all this with the patronage of those who support my work. To become a patron, click the Become a Patron button on my Patreon page and check out the different tiers there are. If you're unable to become a patron at this point, remember that support comes in many different ways. My youngest supporters actually send me art, pictures that they've drawn of me, and of some of the places that they've met me. And for my older supporters, just going on my website and leaving a comment has been so helpful. Sending me an email of support. This is sometimes a hard job to do. So if I have those emails, those letters that I can look back on, it means a great deal to me. Thank you so much for all your help that you've given me throughout my career. I could not have done it without my communities. Thank you.